not sure. I'm glad I'm here, but I'm glad you're. And I'll tell you why. I'm concerned because, and I don't know why they announce this kind of stuff. Maybe they want us to be prepared. I don't know what. But yesterday at the National Earthquake Conference, they had it in Long Beach. Which, you know, if earthquakes had any sense of humor, they would strike in Long Beach right then while it's on. But a scientist who specializes in studying the San Andreas Fault says the southern part of the fault, which includes us here in Los Angeles, is, quote, locked, loaded, and ready to go. Like it's Bruce Willis or something. And whose side are you on anyway? I tell you, this sort of, it makes me nervous, it makes me crazy. I spent the whole night last night gorilla gluing my collection of 18th century hourglasses to their little velvet display stands. One of the guys who works here, let's just call him Joe, because that's his name. Joe bought an earthquake preparedness kit. It's a bucket, there it is, bucket full of supplies. One of the items listed on the contents is an emergency toilet, and he's curious to see what it was. He went through the surprise. Turns out the emergency toilet is the bucket itself. So, I guess in an emergency, everything is a toilet. You don't really need a bucket. Thank you for that weird, unregulated applause. They say the most important things to have, and this is important to have in your earthquake readiness kit, is water, food, and Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. If you have those things, you're going to be